Alright, so we're going to replace a cable, and for that we will need a pair of cutters, screwdriver, or a screw gun right there. So Mike is going to unscrew the box.
4 screws hold the set-top box to the furniture.
While he's doing that, the second person can cut the zip ties that hold all the cables together.
You have to remove the IR sensor so you don't break it when you take the box off. Some of these screws are stripped as well. There's the old HDMI cable. You have to rotate the set-top box out of the bracket a little bit to get the cable in. Don't forget to hook up the IR cable.
While Mike putting the box back together, I can zip tie those cables. That is done so they're not hanging everywhere. Nice and neat. Cut the ends. While Mike's putting the box together,
it's all ready.
We can turn on the TV and test to see if the cable is operational. The image does not freeze, means everything's fine. For the person who's just a completely unknown entity. After we're done, furniture has to be moved back. So the person who's going to service this can put their hand in there and reboot the box in case it's needed.
Glass straightened, drawers in.
The room has to be back in service after we enter the room. So everything that you move or put away has to be moved together or moved kind of back. So that's about it.